Let's talk about how to import a Premiere Pro project into After Effects. This is a quick and easy way to enhance your edits with After Effects advanced tools, and it's especially useful if you want to apply unique effects or animations. To get started, open your project in Premiere Pro. Select the layers you want to transfer. If you need all the layers, use Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac to highlight everything. Once selected, press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac to copy the layers. Now switch over to After Effects. Create a new composition or open an existing one, then paste the copied layers by pressing Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. The layers from Premiere Pro will appear in your After Effects timeline, keeping their arrangement and edits intact. From here, you can add effects, animations, or any adjustments you want. This workflow also works the other way around, letting you move layers from After Effects into Premiere Pro. Experiment with this process to combine the best of both programs in your projects. And that's it. You've successfully imported your Premiere Pro project into After Effects. Keep practicing and you'll get the hang of it in no time.